How to add another account on Likee. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Likee. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. After that, click on the three dots at the top right. Click on Settings. Once you are here, click on the option that says Switch Accounts. After that, click on Add Account. As soon as you do that, you'll get here, so go ahead and do that. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to add another account on Likee. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.